Hi everyone, welcome back to GDPR Made Easy. Today we are diving into essential tools that make GDPR compliance easier for businesses of all sizes. For managing data breaches to tracking consent, these tools are game changer. So if you are ready to level up, let's get started. Staying compliant with GDPR can seem overwhelming, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we will explore the must-have GDPR tools that businesses can use to streamline compliance and protect personal data. Data mapping is the first step in GDPR compliance. These tools help businesses understand what data they collect, where it is stored, and how it is flows across the system. Example tools are OneTrust, TrustArc, or BigID. Why it is essential? Without a clear map, it's nearly impossible to manage data securely or respond to subject access requests. Consent management platforms. Consent is the one of the core principle of GDPR. CMPs help you collect, manage, and document user consent across websites and applications. For example, a website using a consent banner to let user opt in or out of cookie tracking. Example tools are Cookieboard, Quantas, or Osana. Data protection impact assessment tools. GDPR requires DPIA for high risk processing activities. Specialized tools guide you through the process step by step, ensuring no critical risks are overlooked. Example tools are TrustArc DPIA module, DP Organizer, or Security AI. Data breach management tools. Responding quickly to data breaches is crucial under GDPR. These tools help you detect, report, and manage breaches effectively. Example tools are Radar, Varonis, or CyberSecOp. Automated alert notifying a company of potential breach and generating a report for supervisory authorities. Subject access request tools. Under GDPR, individuals have right to access their personal data. SAR tools help businesses handle these requests efficiently by locating and sharing the requested data. Example tools are DataGrail, OneTrust, or SAR Manager. A tool generating a report of all personal data related to an individual within a second. Encryption and anonymization tools. Protecting personal data is the heart of GDPR. Encryption and anonymization tools secure data from unauthorized access or breaches. Example tools are VeraCrypt, iXCrypt, or Anonymizer. For example, a tool encrypting customer credit card details during the transaction. GDPR training platforms. Ensuring staff understand GDPR is key compliance step. Training platforms provide courses according to different roles, from employees to data protection officer. Example tools are GDPR.eu, Skillcast, or IT governance. Vendor management tools. GDPR hold businesses accountable for their vendors' compliance. Vendor management tools help track contracts, compliance status, and due diligence. Example tools are OneTrust and Vendorpedia, TrustArc, or LogicGate. For example, tracking a cloud provider's GDPR certification using a vendor management platform. Audit and monitoring tools. Regular audits ensure ongoing compliance. Monitoring tools track data usage and flag potential risk in real time. Example tools are Security.ai, Netflix Auditor, or LogicGate Risk Cloud. For example, a dashboard showing real-time GDPR compliance metrics for businesses. These tools are your allies in navigating GDPR compliance. By integrating them into your operations, you will not only avoid hefty fines but also build trust with your customers. If you want more insights into GDPR, check out other videos in the playlist for weekly updates on data privacy and compliance.